Hi, my name is David. I'm the Riding Academy Manager here at Orlando Harley-Davidson. Today, our riding hack is going to be riding gear. What you wear when you ride can make a difference between being comfortable and staying safe, or being hurt and uncomfortable. Everything that you wear or don't wear makes a difference in how you feel on the motorcycle. Quality gear can include a good quality jacket, a helmet, and gloves. These items are critical to staying safe on a motorcycle. The last thing you want is to have damage to your body that could have been prevented. Accidents don't have to be your fault. If someone else makes a mistake, it is we, the riders, who suffer the consequences. Choose the gear that's right for you and that will keep you comfortable. Good gear is not only for colder weather, it's also for the warm weather. Keeping your body insulated from the heat can be the difference between heat exhaustion and comfort while riding. So don't worry about getting too hot with the right gear. Vents, padding, and armor are all things that you want to look for to make sure the gear can do the job it was designed to do if it's ever called upon to do it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for hacks on motorcycles, riding tips, customization, gear, and accessories. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for hacks on motorcycles, riding tips, customization, gear, and accessories. We'll see you all soon.